Hi, in this video I will show you how does Temu coupon bundle work. So as you can see, once you open Temu, they already give you in here a coupon bundle of around 10,000 Philippine pesos. You click on the display now option and this will redirect you to this page for the wheel of the jackpot. So you can head over and then spin that wheel and click on stop in order to stop it, and you can see in here if you will get the actual coupon bundle. If you landed on the one more chance option, you can head over and spin again and click on stop again in order to get what you have right here. As you can see, I got the 10,000 pesos coupon bundle. So this coupon bundle actually offers you this in order to reach a certain spending threshold on Temu. So this is actually beneficial for buying a specific number of items like 10 items or the likes. So from in this part, you can do a lot of variety of coupons, and this bundle usually includes multiple coupons, each with their own discount amount or percentage. So these coupons can be applied depending on the terms, and you can see in here which eligible items are actually available to use for this particular coupon bundle. Just enter in here the actual products that you want to use, pick the items, and get 10,000 once you have actually signed up. So that's how the Temu coupon bundle work. Hope we help.